Welcome to a couple of monkeys.
We are well into the spring, and it reminded us of our previous gardening video that we did, which involved a little bit of repair of our raised garden bed.
This type of small maintenance and repair work is an everyday thing when you become a homeowner.
And we are the type of people who like to DIY it. As a matter of fact, that's the reason why we started this channel. Today we are working on one such similar project.
We're going to repair some damage done to a deck while replacing our HVAC system. The contractor left a huge hole in the deck, and we had no choice but to replace all 8 of the boards. We start off by removing all of the deck boards that were damaged.
Our supervisor was very concerned how it will be all put together.
All of the boards that I'm removing from this deck will be used in a separate project later on, and I'm looking forward to sharing those projects with you. I ended up going in to get a drill to try to see if I can get some of these screws out, but I was not able to, so I continued to tear out the remaining deck boards. And our marketing director stopped by in order to take a look at what we were doing. And he wanted us to remind you to go and check out our eBay store. We have about 39 walking sticks right now, just ready for spring. I had to go in the house one more time because I wanted to grab a metal-handled hammer since I ended up breaking the hickory one that I had out. This last board ended up giving me the most hassle, but in no time at all, I ended up getting it out. Some of the deck supports weren't supported by the 2x6s attached to the foundation, so I went ahead and toe-nailed those in so they would give me some rigidity for attaching the deck later. I cleaned up the area a little bit before starting to put the new deck boards on. The new deck boards were a tad bit longer than what I really needed. I ended up having to take probably about 1/4 of an inch off of the boards in order for all of them to fit. I wanted to start off from the wall and work my way back, but these new intake and exhaust pipes for our new water heater were in the way. I set the board on the side, marked the areas, and cut some notches into the board between the area that I had marked earlier. And then using a hammer, I knocked out the material. I did a quick dry fit and realized that I needed to make a couple adjustments. So I had to flip around the board. I used the radius of the saw blade in order to cut the notches so that it would match the profile of the pipe. And now the deck board fits perfectly around the pipes. And now all I had to do was attach all of the boards to the deck and maintain the spacing. I started off with 2.5-inch decking nails and ended up running out and had to go and use decking screws. I really like the star head decking screws. After the first board is in, I use shims between each board to maintain a consistent gap. It kind of bothers me that I could have avoided all of this work if I would have gotten off my ass, went outside, and pulled up all of these boards before the HVAC guy went to work. This is going to require me, at some point in time in the summer, put a stain and sealant on the deck in order to match the rest of the deck. With a little bit of effort, the deck kind of fell into place, and it started looking, as my grandfather used to say, good enough for who it's for. There are a lot of things that I think I could have done better in this project. Leave a comment on what you think we could have done better in the comment section below.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.